Yeah, we are coming to you live from the Lazy Moose Restaurant and Lodge on Durban's South Coast, turning this into a full breakaway brunch experience where good food meets beautiful views, and we soak it all in ahead of the Metro FM Music Awards. Now it's time for us to break away into Ask a Man. The Naked DJ and Somizi are live in studio. We are this side, myself and Given and the team, but it's time for us to play that disclaimer and get into it with Anonymous.
The upcoming segment discuss content that is of adult nature. The views and opinions expressed are not that of the SABC and are that of participating contributors and listeners, and do not reflect that of the official policy or position of Metro FM.
All right, we have Anonymous on the line, but before that, can I say hi to the gents in studio? Hi, Somizi. Hi, Naked.
Yeah.
Good.
Yo.
Wow.
Somizi, not like that. Do not jealous, ne?
Usathekwini manje sibulisana
Yeah.
kanjani yeah. Wemfo.
It's a bit rough. It's a bit rough.
No, ikho rough, ibold, confident.
Okay, ngiyakuthanda either way, rough or
Phela nina
soft.
ni soft nyana absheni. La. Uthini khuluma?
Okay. Asikhuluma no Anonymous ke. Naked ushabda.
100%.
Love it. Anonymous, good morning.
Good morning, good.
How are you, my queen?
I'm good, dear. How are you?
I am great. We are in Durban. Are you in Durban by any chance?
Yes, I'm in Durban. I'm Kulumi. As Onizi said, yeah.
You should have said yeah. All right, Anonymous from Durban. I'm going to read you the house rules, or can I say the beach rules, because we are literally on the beach. Respect is a foundation of our conversation. Maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree, Mama?
Yes, I agree.
All right, talk to us. Khuluma nathi.
Yes. Good morning, Network. Onizi, good.
Morning.
Morning, Anonymous.
Morning. So, my advice, I just want to know, do I still believe in love again?
Say that again.
Then do I still believe in love again?
Okay.
Then I will tell you the story.
All right.
Okay. 2018, I lost my husband in a car accident. Then I've got a new boyfriend, 2023, November. That one passed on 2025, October. That one, we only had this 2 years relationship. But it was a relationship that, sometimes when you said, oh God, are you trying to wipe my eyes, my tears here from the tears that I've cried in 2018 or what? All of a suddenly, this one passed on. Just with a heart attack. But the thing is, that's why I said I want the advice that I carry on loving, or I must just tell myself, no, Anonymous, nothing you can do about love. You have maybe to love your children or your family, but this relationship is not for you. Because the second one, I did. We had. You remember that we had that love that, no one can say, "Oh my God," and everyone was like, "Oh, Lungi, oh Anonymous, we don't believe what you are going through right now, and maybe God sent this man to you to wipe your tears and all that." Then boom, after he passed on, up until today, I can't believe, and I'm very angry. At the same time, how can you be angry with a person that is no longer alive? I just heard that he was cheating.
You what?
The second one. He was cheating, the second one.
Oh, the second one.
The second one, he was
Okay.
cheating.
But you only found out after he passed on.
That's what makes me angry. You know, you have to deal with the grieving at the same time. You angry like hell and mad. Yes.
And how did you find out that he was cheating on you?
You know, we spoke like adults, everything. So he once told me about this lady because we were grown up together, like when we were 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, you know. Then in 19 years, we just separated, go apart. We were not in love by that time. We were just grown up together as neighbors, you see.
Okay.
So he took his way, I took my way, I married, then you see, then I saw him 2023 early. Then we sit down, we spoke. I told him, what about me, what I want, what do you want from me, all this. Then it just told me, you listen much, Anonymous. I have this girlfriend, but now I choose you because I want this life, I want this in life, I want this in life.
Okay.
Then I said, okay,
Sithandwa
let
sami,
us try.
Sithandwa, ngicela ubambe kancane ne? Bamba kancane, usisikhuphe ufuna ukukhuluma nathi. Ima kancane.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll be right back.
Details at 11.
Relationships, situationships, all the ships. On Ask a Man every weekday on Metro FM.
It's 31 minutes after 10 o'clock. We've got Anonymous on the line. If you're joining us right now, welcome. Coming to you live from Durban. Of course, the Gents on studio. Now, Anonymous lost her husband in 2018. She then dated someone new, but they also passed away in 2025. And our deepest condolences, Anonymous. We are all listening this side. Following the passing of her second husband, she found out that he had been unfaithful towards her and had a side. Now, these experiences have basically affected her, especially her perspective on love and relationships, as she just wonders whether she's meant to be in a relationship. But remember, Anonymous started with, do I still believe in love again? Let's continue.
Yes, of course. So I was just saying, I think Naked asked me how I found out. So he was told me about this lady. Then he said he chose me regarding what he wants in life. He wants to change. He wants to be a grown man because he has his children. You know what? I've got my children too. So we started up until I had. So when he passed on, I took his phone. I just scrolled down, checked. This lady is still on the phone. I found this lady was on the phone. So I called this one. I said, okay, Drowning, I had bad news. The person that you are in love with, some other time, he passed on. Then he said, no, you can't tell me that. I said, yes, he is. The reason why I'm telling you, it's just because he told me about you, only her. Then I called her, then I closed the phone just like that. You know, I had the phone. Sometimes people, they called. I said, hey, I'm so sorry. This person is no longer. You know, Yala Visho. Then once I just saw a message on WhatsApp. Then I said, no. Not the one who was calling. The message from the WhatsApp, I think it's 5 houses from my house, then 7 houses from his house.
How?
He was cheating with.
Okay, Anonymous, hold on. Ne?
We know each other.
Anonymous,
Hold on.
Anonymous,
Yes.
hold on. Yazine, I got it. Correct me if I'm wrong. I want us to have time to help you, and I feel like your anger and frustration is towards something that there's nothing you can do about. You know, like
Yeah.
you are telling us story somuntu ongasekho where
That's true.
where I can't advise you now to go tune in like and
It's so
and do things.
So miss.
I can, but I don't want to. Yabo. But
And he can't answer for himself.
he can't answer
It's
for
the past.
himself. Yes.
But
That's true.
then
Yeah.
again, so easy. doesn't that make it easier for her to move on after she found out that he was cheating? Shouldn't it make it easier for her to move on?
Not really.
Why?
It's,
Why?
It's worse. It's like he got away with murder.
So
Like-
is that how you feel, Anonymous?
Yes, you feel like
Yeah.
funeka pendule. Angithi Anonymous, your anger comes from Buti. He did things and now he's not here to answer.
Yeah,
That's your frustration.
But Anonymous said
Mm.
before going through the phone, everything was fine. His memory was fine, etc., etc.
Yes. And my worry is
That's-
that
It's only after she went through the phone.
yes, and my worry is that it's after.
Mm.
There's nothing Anonymous can do to get the satisfaction.
What were you
that's-
looking for, Anonymous, when you went through
I'm
a
in a
person's
cage, I'm in
phone
a
that's no longer there? What were you looking for?
Naked. I said, I just want to call this lady, the one he told me about.
Yep, balele umuntu ongekho.
But now we're Anonymous.
Like
come
nilela
on. You know, but that's the thing. Remember, Anonymous, when you go looking for something, you find it.
Mm-hmm.
Do you get what I mean? Because you are looking for a particular thing, then you find it.
Okay.
Yeah. But if you did not, why couldn't you have looked for something different? Looked for people he was in business with, people
I'm a
he did-
will.
yeah, wills or whatever. What you wanted to
I
find.
did that too.
Or she did
I did
everything.
that.
She did everything.
Mm.
And then you know why I'm trying to stop Anonymous from carrying on with
Okay,
this?
yes.
It's because when she said, the first question she asked was, should I give up on love?
Yeah.
Right?
Mm.
And for me, I want us to get to the crux of, I thought her reasons for wanting to give up on love is because she lost two important people in her life back to back. You understand?
Yeah.
And that was the reason. Mari, if the reason is because she got cheated on and found out later, is that the reason? Then we've got a challenge. here.
Because what are you going to say? All men cheat?
Yeah?
Uthi, yeah, udlala amadayi.
No, like, ihambile ngaphansi komhlabathi.
Okay, but that's the thing. The guy cheated on her, right? And initially we thought it's because she was heartbroken about the passing. But it's
Yes.
now because this guy actually cheated on her.
And then the first one, were you married to the first one?
Yes.
Okay. Did you go through his phone?
The first one.
Yes.
Yes, if I can tell some of you won't believe.
I will.
Before the first one, it's still isakhona umntwana wakhe uyayisebenzisa.
Yeah.
You? The same number.
Yes.
Umntwana wakhe usayisebenzisa.
The same
today.
number, guys.
Yes.
Ngoba naye uthi no inamba kababa. You know.
Okay.
Mhm.
So you never found out anything about the first one?
Hayi lapho nje ngabe ngifikela amanga. Nothing.
Okay. So your concern is about what happened from the second one?
Not exactly from you know ngiyakuzwa ukuthi uthini ngo second one. But enga yami ile ethi angisakho akekho umuntu esengizomkholwa after lento eyenzekalile yabona.
Oh.
At the same time futhi uchitha nomuntu engimaziyo nayo mazi obazi futhi ukuthi siyathandana.
No, your
That's the thing.
anger is valid.
Okay, please translate.
Your anger is valid. It's valid.
What is the anger?
The
How-
anger is towards
Let us in.
you know, when she met the second one, she was like, "Oh, the Lord has answered my prayers." Right, Anonymous? And
Yebo.
and she was the tear wiper,
Yeah.
the second one to Anonymous.
That's
and
true.
everything was perfect until when he passed
100%.
on from a heart ago. She
Her world unraveled.
before that she was grieving because she's lost a second partner that she hoped
Yeah.
they're gonna live happily ever after, and then she found out everything that she was living was a lie.
But
Hold
while
on.
he was alive,
Hold on.
everything was fine.
No, it wasn't fine. It was a lie. He was cheating, and more than anything, what hurts Anonymous, he was cheating with someone that she knows and someone that knows that they're in a relationship. That can be very devastating, Anonymous. I get it.
So who do women prefer that we cheat with?
I think who do individuals?
Umuntu engamazi ke mhlambe ke
Yep.
Somisi,
yes.
let her answer. She said, Anonymous when
Ukuyakamazi.
uthi women prefer
Yes,
that we cheat
yes.
with people that you don't know. And
I'm
if-
100%
That's what she
naked.
said,
But
yes.
Speak for yourself, Anonymous.
you know those lezo zinto our grannies used to tell us. And
Yes.
nami I'm a metro listener. We always finding the cheating all the time. So we are sesivumela ukuthi okay, men are like that. They are not like us. That's the reality.
My thing is, Anonymous, ne? Yes, he
Yeah.
cheated with somebody that you knew, but at the end of the day, this person respected you. Even when these things were happening. She never called you at night. She never called him at night. He put the rules down. Uguti, hey, that is my woman. You will never disrespect her. You must stay in your lane. This is what you are here for in my life. And Mina, in her life, this is what I am. You will never disrespect her. Right?
I'm not so naked.
So when
I'm
you
not
say
so.
you prefer that we cheat with people you guys don't know, it's the ones that you guys don't know that'll disrespect you, that will phone us in the middle of the night, that'll phone you guys while you guys are dating. You know what I mean?
But naked, that person knows you. Sometimes you stay together. Sometimes you just said, you are a lucky person to have this man. You see?
Oh, Anonymous. That's
Oh, you mean they were
Not
they were that close to you
no
in proximity, and you would
We are
even
in the same community.
In the
no
same
way,
community. I'm telling you, Naked.
Anonymous.
That's the part that hurts the most. That is the
That's
part.
true for me.
Anonymous, I feel you honestly, like, and especially,
I'm telling you.
especially that person also gets information about your relationship directly from you guys.
I'm telling you.
I'm telling you,
Sometimes
serious.
we sit together. We chill together. We spoke. Then she was the one who always said, "Hey, your man, you are lucky." You know.
Your Anonymous. Have you ever been in a situation now that you think about where they were just the two of them somewhere, or they went outside, the two of them, and you were left inside? And when you think about that time, those rubbish, they were.
So maybe you spoke like you were there.
Oh,
There was this other day, I passed by. They were in the neighbors, so I just greeted them. Then I went inside the house.
Anonymous.
You see. Then after I heard this, when he was not here to answer, I said, "Oh my God, the Ebola band, you. And the man nalo, you remember this one is still alive. So, and unakho ke manje nayo perform after sengitholile into. Ngambona ukuthi unayo into ethile. Then when mangizwa ngabanye, she always said no. Then what? Ngoba uyena obengifuna. Mina bengamfuni.
Was she at the funeral?
Yeah, and I work on the funeral. I saw her.
How did she cry?
Akazange zaloko uzokhala kanjani phela ngithi ngikhona.
She couldn't be chief mona. So how's your relationship with her now? Are you guys still fighting over a person that's
I know, mina I'm been raised by a gogo. I just kept quiet.
What does it mean?
Yeah. What did she say?
Ugogo uzoyenzani?
Ngithi mina ngikhulisa ugogo. You know, ama advice.
Oh, ama manners, like
yeah.
Okay.
The gogo's manners. I just kept quiet.
Okay, let's go back to the first question. Anonymous, if you will ever find love again. I think you're just angry right now. And sometimes very, but like Somizi said, there's nothing you can do about it.
Okay.
It's the past. And
okay.
I think also a big question that you're afraid to ask, Somizi, and I could be wrong, is the big question here is, hey guys, why every man that I fall in love with or have something with seems to pass on? I think that's what you really want to ask.
That's what the question, and that one too, I want to know that one. And the love one.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, the first one is the easiest thing, Anonymous. It's life. Things happen in life. You will be able to find someone. You will be able to move on. And the thing is, just don't dwell on his extra relationship affairs. Even this other woman that did you wrong, let that thing go. That's in the
Okay.
past. Now the elephant in the room is
Makagutshwe,
that Somizi, we letting him go.
masimlande.
No, see, Asimlandi Sunday after my Metro FM Music Awards. So Anonymous,
Yes.
the first one was an accident. The second one was a heart attack.
Mm.
You know, this is life.
Okay.
You know, and these things happen in life, and you can't stop living right now. And the thing is, you haven't even said, Uguti, look, you were able to move on from the first one. You'll be able to move on from this second one as well. And don't even care, Uguti, abantu bazothini. We understand that, your community will say things even to the men around you. Uguti, hey, Lona, unjanjani, every man she meets, this is their fate, etc., etc. If that becomes too hard, then sometimes just move away, pick up and go. I'm sure your kids are adults right now, ne?
Mm.
Yeah. So if maybe the community is too hard on you, pick up and go and start afresh. But unfortunately, this is life, and it's so unfortunate what happened to you. But you have to pick up and move on.
Yeah. Umzulu
Yes,
put
but
naked,
it's
ne?
not easy.
It's
Yes,
not easy,
Yeah,
yes.
most of them
Yeah.
it's not easy.
Mamela
because
ke sithando sami.
I don't have a trust anymore.
Yes. Mamela ke sithando sami. Khona manje you've got all the tools to make sure ukuthi you're going to find love that you deserve and love that is truthful and faithful. You know why? You went through these experiences for a reason and for a lesson. Yangizwa? So manje
Yebo.
awujahi lutho. You're not desperate to be in a relationship right now.
Mm-mm.
Yes. But I want you to let go of the anger. Let go of the anger, Sthando Sam. Mangiza manje endleleni, I was listening to a poem, Sthando Sam.
Oh my gosh.
Ungizwe.
Okay. Whose poem?
It's just a random poem.
You just listen to poems.
Yes.
Okay.
And I picked up something. Uyahleka ngizokuyeka.
Hi.
No.
Anonymous.
Actually, wanga John naked. I want to see something.
Angimceli naye.
Mamela Anonymous.
Angimceli on a joining form, but I'm telling him like nje kuma
Advice,
advisor
yes.
size
Yeah,
zawena.
thank you,
Mamela ke
Anonymous.
Anonymous. Ipoem lena ithe life is too short
Mhm.
to be eating isilari.
Yeah.
Yes. Life is too
What?
short. Life is too short to be eating isilari. Yazi isilari?
Even
Where's isilari? Eh, konje Durban nitshala
like
umbila.
celery.
Celery.
The
Celery, the vegetable.
okay. Hey,
Yes.
Vegetable.
Ngizokuphoxa khupedi. Khupedi yangihlanga le.
Yo, hi.
Utheni wena naked?
No, like celery,
Isalary,
not celery.
isilari.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Celery.
Uyazi isilari?
The
sis?
vegetable.
Yes,
Yes.
the vegetable.
Okay.
Mhm.
Life is too short to be eating celery ngoba yimbi, ne?
Mm.
And then life is too long to harbor jealousy.
Hmm.
We understand? Life is too long to feed into jealousy. Yeah, isho kanjalo.
Mhm.
So basically what I'm saying to you ukuthi impilo yinde for you ukuthi lokubambane nemagqubu.
Okay.
You understand? Uyazirobha wena, you are robbing yourself of living your life to the fullest.
Mhm.
Let go, Sthando Swami, bayekele. And ungabafiseli nokubi, don't wish them bad. Ne?
How are you to them?
Mm.
It's the one guy.
Including nalona. Angamfiseli phela mangamfiseli kubi, she would wish ukuthi he doesn't find peace.
Okay.
You understand?
Mm.
So let it go, my life. It will do good for you, and then you'll start also attracting peace.
Mm.
You understand?
Yes, I
Yes.
do.
And then don't rush into getting to another relationship. However, I do believe you're going to find love, and it will make sense why you went through what you went through. You're going to go, actually, I'm grateful. You know, sometimes we don't see things, their purpose and their reason when we are still in that situation. Ne? But
Yes.
after, when you're now getting your rewards, you go, I have a beautiful man. Do you have children?
Yes, I do.
Yes. Now, give that love to your children for now, and that love must assure you that love really do exist. Ne?
Yebo.
Yeah, thanda abantwana bakho, ziphilele, niphume nihambe niyodla out ngama weekends. Like phila girl, faka makeup, gqoka isketi, ya kuma metro. Like phila.
But then what happens if she wants to feel something warm in her bed, Somizi? Because at some point she will want to.
Yes, she must do it when she feels ready to understand and accept. Guti, it's just if you want a one night stand, you must also be ready to know Guti, it's a one night stand. There's no strings attached, because you don't want to use a one night stand to fill the void of a permanent relationship.
Yes, and also, it's also wrong to say you are in my life as to wipe my tears. It means, Anonymous, you are not ready to date.
Yeah.
Okay, because now people are not.
I'm not at all naked.
Yebo?
Just see the difference. 2018.
I know.
Ngahlala
I
up
know,
until
Anonymous.
up until 2023
Yes, Anonymous.
November.
Yeah, I
You see,
understand.
5 years full.
No,
And
there's
the man said it will be more than that, because I don't have.
No, what
I'm
she meant
telling
is Zulu naked.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Martin Tusulinyebes does not mean Guti, you are closing the void. It means you are really wiping my tears. It was worth the wait
okay.
of grieving for the 5 years, and then finally somebody comes to wipe those tears. Not that I'm gonna need them to fill the void.
Okay, so it's not like when we get into new relationships, it's a clean slate.
Yeah, it's not a rebound.
It's okay. It wasn't a rebound.
No, it wasn't
and
a
that's
rebound.
what she's saying.
Yes.
Okay,
That,
cool.
It wasn't a rebound.
Yeah.
Sam, yeah.
And then my last question to you and Anonymous is, what you don't know doesn't hurt you. So quit looking for stuff.
Yes. In future, moving forward. Yeah, keep looking for stuff. Quit looking for stuff. Anonymous, we wish you the best, Tarosami. Heal, find healing. You deserve the best. You are a beautiful soul, and you deserve to be happily ever after. Ne?
Yes,
Let go of the anger, Tarosami.
We'll see you at the metros, okay?
I don't have a ticket for Metro.
Uzoya as Kuzo's +1. Kuzo Organjan. Kuzo.
Bye-bye, Anonymous. Saktandes.
Love you on side.
Thank you, Anonymous.
SABC 2. What advice do you have?
So hi, Kuto and Somizi and Naked.
Hi.
Anonymous, she really needs to cleanse. Uyabona lento leya ukuthi nina you're going to your boyfriend's funerals. Icon. Usibangeli easy bad. You're calling all the bad lucks. So the lady must get a cleansing and take a break from relationships until she's done with the cleansing.
Anonymous, don't hold on to anger and resentment. Keep it moving, my sister. Lo oshonile nizoyibanga kwelizayo. Okay, call uTess so that she can connect you with him. Umbuze ukuthi usithathaphi isibindi sokukujwayela. Maybe you will heal. I don't know. Good luck to everybody involved.
Anonymous unalento abayibiza bathi amaseko. Kumele ayogezwa uAnonymous ukuze abe right. Kumele ayogezwa uAnonymous. Otherwise uzoshonela futhi iboyfriend lesithathu.
Sure.
Uyabona iseko leli esiphekela kilo emakhaya.
Yeah, that's it.
Lento leyo.
Sure.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much for your advice coming through. One mentioning she needs a session with Taz. Hey, Naked DJ and Somizi Amaseko. Still don't understand what that means. I don't know if Somizi, you can explain Amaseko to me again.
As in,
please.
Doesn't it mean amasiko? And then it's
I'm sure.
yeah, because
And
I'm
I feel
asking,
like
guys.
these people that we're talking now, they speak like anonymous.
so
So easy.
they will fight in the next
In the next
lifetime.
lifetime.
Thank
Guys,
you,
I honestly
Naked.
think, personally, I don't think there's anything wrong with Anonymous.
Yeah.
It just happened that she dated people that had to depart during their relationship.
Yeah.
They could have still be gone with or without Anonymous. So don't make it like it's a dark thing. I'm gonna party next Anonymous, and no one has a party. And not everything has to do with witchcraft or
Bad
bad luck or tontoni. Sometimes can you just allow the universe to do its thing? It's just that sometimes it does it in a way that we think it's witchcraft. Anonymous, you have nothing to cleanse. Just cleanse your heart for you to prosper.
Yeah.
Okay. Naked on your side, are we good?
A lot of men have other phones. That's all that I'm gonna say.
Man.
They keep the phone in the spare wheel compartment. They have phones at work. In their drawers in their office. So just because you don't find things on someone's phone doesn't mean that nothing is happening.
Man. Thank you very much, Abuti Naked and Abuti Somizi. Thank you. Thank you.
Leboga rre.
Ew. It's 11 o'clock.